Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the knob support on your Thermomix TM5. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, disconnect your Thermomix TM5 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure there's no risk of accidental operation. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel of the Thermomix. There are 4 screws in total. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away from the unit. This will expose the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. Use the soft cloth to clean it thoroughly. A clean environment helps in maintaining your device's performance. Now, locate the knob support. This is typically secured by 2 small screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After the screws are removed, gently pull the knob support away from the main unit. Pay attention to any wiring that may be attached, do not force it. If you find it difficult to detach, it may be beneficial to consult a professional. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring convenience. Once the old knob support is removed, take your new knob support and align it with the existing holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. If you're unsure about the installation process or don't have the necessary tools, consider that we provide no calls, no travel services that can assist you. After securing the new knob support, take a moment to check the internal components again. Make sure everything is in its place and there are no loose wires. A well-maintained unit performs better and lasts longer. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and insert the screws to secure it in place. Remember to tighten them adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, which could damage the panel. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM5 back into the power source. Turn it on and test the new knob support to ensure it functions smoothly. If you encounter any issues or if the knob feels loose, it might be wise to reach out for a quote before repair. With this, your Thermomix TM5 is ready for action again. Thank you for following along with our tutorial on replacing the knob support. If you need further assistance or prefer a professional to handle it, don't forget we can help you with our convenient services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.